see what's going on today, guys. Uh, Market's literally about to open, and I'm not fucking ready. Alrighty, let's see what we got in here. So I see maybe potential gold buys. We're actually gonna go in for the buy on gold. We got to push up on Nasdaq, US 30. Everything looking positive right now. This is gold. Gold goes up above zero point 0.7. We'll go in for the buy. If it goes under 2, we'll go in for a sell. And here we go. So we see US 30 already trying to make a push. I'm not going to rush into anything because when you rush in, everything. Right now I'm anti. I've been dealing with what I've been dealing with all morning, my kids, etc., and everything. So this is where I got to stay calm and collective and just really wait it out as far as US 30 and Nasdaq. Gold, like I said, I mean, we got 5-minute wicks. I don't mean much. Got a 15-minute wick down here. Now we're pushing up. So, like I said, going in for buys for gold. And that'll be the 101 right there. We're just going to go 30 pips up or down. We're not going to go too crazy about it. US 30, Nasdaq. So as we wait for these to give us some type of breakout, just wanna fucking lock into the application. Everything good. Gold giving us some blue numbers. Start screen recording. I'm honestly just gonna close my worst gold positions now, just cause remember we're compounding here. No need to get greedy or anything like that, right? I mean, just stop losses while keeping an eye on the other markets. This is what comes down with wanting to manage multiple things at once. So this, stop losses, still making profit off of each position. All right, so luckily, we're in gold. We haven't missed out anything on any of the other markets yet. I'm still waiting for some type of sign. I guess I could take a bite out of this bagel, egg and cheese. Oh, the yolk just fucking gushed right now. Damn, that shit all over the floor. I didn't realize. While we're waiting, gold is already set. Trade is open. Pretty much just waiting on the other markets to give us opportunities. Today is Tuesday. Want to have a 2 for 2 day. As far as trades go, want to have winners. My coffee's set over there. I think I'm gonna take my phone and just the recording stopped with the where were we at with gold while we wait for this to gold. Pretty much almost hit TP. I'm gonna take partials because it's important when building an account. You want to take whatever you have at the moment. You don't know if it's gonna retrace. if it's gonna stop you out. So I mean, while you're up there and you're almost at your goal, might as well start adjusting. So with Nasdaq, okay, let's see if we got any news going on today. That's very important also to keep in mind. So we got some news at 10 o'clock. Consumer. So okay, so we might not see nothing too crazy till then. I think I got time to go get my coffee, like I said. Oh, if trading don't work out, definitely could open a deli, my nigga, because this sandwich is busting. Didn't take any positions yet, obviously, as you guys see, but check out gold. So we smashed take profit one. I mean, right now we're at a one or two. Gonna take out some more positions. Look at that. I want to screen record this too. So even if I'm losing some while I'm getting the screen recorded, like look at this. Look at this. We're up 60 pips right now. We're gonna close this out. Take that. Honestly, just take that, bro. Just take that. Don't be greedy. And we're gonna move up our stop losses because that's just what we do. At the same time, I'm not even looking at what's going on with what's that thing called, US 30 or Nasdaq, because I'm simply too focused on making sure that I get what I can of what I'm in already. So now that that's out the way, we don't see anything happening yet. I mean, if we could break through this down here, then we're definitely going in for a sell. Oh, this is 15 minutes too, by the way. I'm going crazy. Let's get the 5 minute, get a more clear view of what's happening in this little bit of time. US 30. US 30 looking like I want to push up. Nasdaq looking like I want to push down. Which is pretty much how they played out yesterday, but let's be calm about it. Let's see if we could get a Nas position going over here. It's put me in twice, so we're gonna do a short on Nas. This doesn't count. Could have faked this out right here. But who knows? I mean, we're looking at a on trend, right? So I mean, if it doesn't break that trend, then we should be good. Too early to tell. So yesterday I showed myself, like I got out early on my positions, but it's like I tell you guys, rather to walk away with something than to have nothing. And look at that. Did I close? I closed that in profit, which is great. And now I could get a better position on that sell if I wanted to. But US 30 showing me signs of a sell, but like I said, we can't rush into these things. Let's just take a look at it. Let's do a small position, layer it out. What do you guys think? It's better to layer it out just in case. I think that's perfect right there where we're working at. Look at that US 30. We're going to close partials. I see a little right here, right? Short position. You see that? Pay attention to that. It opened up a little higher than what it should have. Gold trade. You know, I mean, shit. That shit hit. You know, we ain't even worried about it. 1 to 2. US 30 still trying to do something. Um, that's the one that we're looking at. Nasdaq just probably do something else rather than what we wanted to. But I'll be right back. Still too early. Still very early in the morning. Wants to do something. We're just gonna go in for it. I mean, it could hit these levels. This will be my probably my first take profit right here. Wrong button. This will be my second take profit. I mean, if it could do anything over that, then sheesh, that'd be nice, right? We're gonna remove this. We're gonna just put it down. POP. Man, could have went heavier and I would have been out. Let's adjust stop loss because better to have some type of winning and a loss completely. And that's where it's gonna push up. So since I adjusted my stop loss and it closed me out, I think I'm pretty much done for today. But this was the trade I was gonna take. We're gonna just let it go right here. S&P, we're not even looking at that. Nas, it's gonna hit. Yeah, bro. So I mean, I think pretty much for today, still being up 99, um, pretty much 9% is still pretty decent to me, if you ask me. So all my entries are pretty much taken. Took a small loss. That would have been more gains, but overall, we're still winning today, and that's what matters. I feel like if I was to get in for that US 30 buy right here, I mean, it'd be risky, but you know, yesterday was a risky buy too. Yesterday, what did we do yesterday? We bought up here actually yesterday, and that shit hit all the way up there, so that was pretty risky, but overall, nonetheless, this is still winning, and definitely still winning. So, not a bad day. Not a fucking bad day at all. You know, made more yesterday than what I did today, but hey, if I could break through this, then it has potential of possibly, I wouldn't say up there, but possibly making it up here. And if it breaks this, then forget about it. There's no holding it back. But we're not even in the trade no more, guys. I've learned to not itch so much over shit like this. Like I said, today was an antsy day. I felt like I did come to the table a little bit late, making breakfast and all. But we win them. That's that one. Well, pretty much. I'm just gonna let these play out for what it is, whether it hits or it doesn't. But yeah, just leave it over here for you guys to see. Oh, US 30. You see that? And it might look. It's back at entry level, and it's about to hit stop loss. I was about to say like it's back at entry level, and you could get in, and you know it could go back to TP1, but. Like I said, that's not something I want to figure out. We're about to get stopped out if we would have um re-entered, and even if it's like a slow risk, oof, everything's reversing. So Nasdaq reversing to the upside, US 30 reversing to the downside. I mean, that's crazy. Those could be grabs of liquidity that the trades were set up on. But hey, if you set your stop losses to break even, once you're in profit, then there shouldn't be a losing trade. Or if you did lose, then you lost very little, very very small. Um, gold, gold is doing its thing. Everything's doing its thing. Like I said, I'm out of here. Still a good day overall. Still a good day overall. Downtrend goes up, it could possibly reach levels of here. And that's the thing. Trading, like, if I wanted to right now, if it breaks through here, I could go for a buy and just get, a quick 79, quick 80 pips type shit. Oof. Both stop losses were hit. And like I said, if I wanted to, that would have been my first target right here. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up early. I have a lot of shit to do outside of trading, so pretty much hope you enjoyed this video. Let me just line this shit up just so y'all see that this. Oh, I keep fucking up. That this would have done this. Look, it would have hit the first. You know what I'm saying? Like that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Shit don't gotta be complicated. It's only complicated if you make it. I still got my shit. I got out. Boom. I would have had another opportunity if I would have stayed looking at the charts. I would have known. Okay, it's time for the buy. You know what I'm saying? And it could, like I said, it's gonna touch probably. I want to put crazy things, but like this is the first take profit, second take profit, third. That's it. But fuck with me. We gonna make this money soon. We gonna lock in anybody.